back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it, you know how we roll. If you are not subscribed, please, before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like, and also hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, so guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of super dramatic, colorful spring/summer makeup look. I'm really feeling this look, like seriously, I'm really feeling this look. I love the way it turned out to, and I decided to go for a nude look. At the beginning, I thought maybe I'm going to go for a bold lip, but I said no, maybe it's going to be too much since we are wearing white outfit, and it's going to be a little bit too much, you know. And yeah, I'm loving the way the whole look turned out too. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. All the products I use are going to be listed down below as usual. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look, you all know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And bear in mind, if you want to recreate this look, feel free, okay? Feel free. Practice makes perfect, okay? No one knows it all, okay? Anyway, guys, without any further ado, just stick around and enjoy. You know how we do it, how we roll, how we roll. No long talking. Don't forget to do you. Stay pretty and stay blessed. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you. Ciao. Mwah. Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Taking my brush. So to prime my eye, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Concealer, I'm going to be taking the Silver Face Shape brush. This one right here. So if you want, you can go ahead and set it. This concealer, it's a bit on the dry side, and I'm just going to go straight ahead and dive in with the eyeshadow. First palette, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Just Peachy Matters to blend my outer corner to my crease. I'm just going to start dabbing. Firstly, I'm just going to dab to my crease, cut crease, but a little bit as a V, you know. So I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic brush in number 6. I'm still going to be taking that shade Just Peachy. So this one, this brush right here, as you can see, it's a little bit fluffy and at the same time it's flat, it's not round. That is why I'm using it, because I wanted to give me that curve look that I'm going for. So the next shade I'm going to be taking Fresh Poked, this shade right here. Start blending without anything on the brush. I'm just going to blend out the edges. Next palette I'm going to be taking this Hudabeauty Ruby Passions, okay? Hudabeauty Ruby Passions right here. This beautiful red/burgundy. This BH Cosmetic brush in number 5. I'm just going to dip it inside. This is a small round brush. Super pigment, as you can see that. Just one touch, you're good. I'm just going to apply that on top where I applied the first shade. Inner corner area, but I'm going to leave it halfway like that. And at the same time, I'm going to fluff the edges out because it looked a little bit too sharp. So I just had to fluff it out so it looks super well blended. I'm going to be taking the darkest shade right here. That on top. This one is a little bit deeper. Once again, into that Too Faced Just Peachy, I'm going to be taking the shade called Chocolate Drop, this one right here. I'm just going to apply that for a little bit of smokiness. I'm just going to leave it on my higher crease, is that right? Higher crease. To blend my edges once again. I'm going to be taking this shade called peach butter, this one right here. Yes, this one right here. I'm just going to take it like so. We are going to be cutting our crease. So we are doing a half cut crease, we are not doing a full cut crease. Lid color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, blue. I'm taking this electric palette by Urban Decay, the one I used on my other video. I'm taking this shade right here. This one is a little bit darker, this one is a little bit lighter. Taking this Sephora eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pack that. I'm going to start from my outer V, just like so. This one right here, just going to apply that on the middle of my lid. Shade right here, just going to blend out the edges. I'm going to be dabbing. I'm going to be lining my eye with the eyestudio gel liner by Maybelline. Blue, I'm going to blow that on my bottom lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to be applying one of these lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be taking this Alverde lip liner in brunette, which is brown. The Patrick Star liquid lipstick. This one is in peach. It smells like paint, but it feels so good on the lips. Our lip gloss, our look is not complete. I'm going to be taking this Fenty Beauty clear slippers, glass slippers, okay.